coming to work this morning and opened my laptop and my extra screen, and I had a little visitor right on the screen. Look at that. Little salty spider. He's always around here, but it's the first time I see him right on my screen. Interesting. Yeah, get back to this picture. Client phoned me this morning, and she wants to have a risk analysis and some fire safety measures advised on. So I'll be heading out to the farm. I think it is in this area here, somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere there. Well, hopefully little Salty will not travel with me. He can stay right here on my screen. Run around keeping the mozzies away.